Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to get free food on DoorDash.com. So the first thing you're going to do is go to DoorDash.com, and down just right here at the top, there's going to be an offer section. You click that, and it's going to bring up different offers like $0 delivery fee plus 10% off. Chipotle Mexican Grill has zero delivery fee, 10% off. McDonald's the same, zero delivery fee, 10% off. And you're also going to see some $3 off orders $35 or more, or free items after a certain cost that's reached. And you're also going to want to go into the DoorDash app, where they're going to have similar offers. If you click the offer button right there, and it'll bring up zero delivery fee plus 10% off at different restaurants. You're looking at, get $4 off any order over $35, and deals like that. And also, if you go up to your account, there's the refer friends to get $10. If you click on that, it'll go to a screen that explains that if you share your promo code to a friend and they sign up, you'll get $10 to spend in the app. Another way to get money is to go to websites like swagbucks.com or even freecash.com, and you'll fill out surveys, watch videos, or do certain tasks for them, and you can get pretty major discounts that way. Now, of course, the last way to get free food at DoorDash is to follow their social media pages like Facebook or Instagram. They'll sometimes give out promo codes or deals that you can use in the app or online to get free food. And there you have it. That's how you get free food at DoorDash.com. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below.